Welcome to Grand Cars Showcase Mobile Experience. My name is Nico and I'm going to be your sales consultant for today. And today, allow me to take you on a tour on our premium hatchback, the Chevrolet Spark. The Chevrolet Spark is one of the best hatchbacks in the market today that gives you the best bang-in-the-buck experience. It comes in two different variants, the Spark LS Manual and the Spark Premium CVT. The vehicle specifications vary per variant, and today I will walk you through the key highlights of the Spark Premier CVT. This Spark is characterized by having a sleek and sporty appearance. On the front, you first notice its more modern look and accentuated with a tasteful amount of chrome trim. The daytime running lights with the halogen lamp projector adds a more sophisticated look to the Chevrolet Spark. Turning to the side of the vehicle, you will see a sleek flow of character lines that adds more appeal to the sporty hatchback. The false rear door also gives the Spark a coupe-like feel. The Spark is fitted with a sporty multi-spoke 15-inch aluminum rims. Over here at the back, the sporty design continues with the character lines
and adds features such as the third brake lamp, as well as the rear parking sensors for your convenience. The trunk also allows 200 liters worth of space, and with the second row folded flat, adds another 150 liters of space.
Now let me show you the interior. In the front,
we have a segment first 7-inch touchscreen display that supports the Chevrolet MyLink infotainment system and the best-in-class 6-speaker sound system. It also comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, allowing you to seamlessly access your smartphone features on the touchscreen display. In terms of driving dynamics and power, the Spark boasts the most powerful engine in its class with its 98 horsepower engine and 128 Newton meters of torque. Electric power steering, traction control, electronic stability control, a hill start assist, make sure that dynamic handling aids are there for your spirited drive. Last but most important of all, the Spark is equipped with the best-in-class features including 2 airbags, ABS, anti-theft system, and traction control.
Here at Chevrolet, we guarantee you peace of mind with our twice-a-year service interval and our industry-leading 5-year warranty. Now that you have seen the highlights of the Spark, all that's left for you to do is to try it yourself. Please message one of our consultants to set an appointment,
or you may send us your contact details on our Facebook page for us to contact you soon.
We look forward to hear from you.